Hey guys, so today we will learn how we can upload code wirelessly on our ESP devices using Arduino OTA, that is over the air. Yes, we don't need any wire anymore, but for initial setup we will need this wire just for once. So let's connect just that and let's open our Arduino IDE. We'll go to examples and here we can see Arduino OTA. So let's select this basic OTA and just go through this code once. So here basically two things are important. One, Arduino OTA.begin, and next thing is handle function. These two functions are something that we will include in all our codes from now onwards. So let's look at a simplified version of this code. So first we need to include the header files and then we set our SSID and password. So this is for your local Wi-Fi network, and then we will set a password so that no one else can upload code in your ESP device, right? So this password will be required before uploading any code. And finally, we are calling the handle function inside the loop. And after this, any code, whatever you want. Here we are running a simple blink code that will blink the LED in 5-second interval, right? So once we are ready with the code, let's select the serial port, USB serial, and upload the code, right? So yes, for the first time, we will need a USB cable, as I mentioned earlier. And let's speed things up and upload the code. And 28, 35, 50. And just like that, it is 100%. So here, if we look at our device, you can see the LED is on for 5 seconds. And then it turns off. And then again, after 5 seconds, this process will repeat. So next thing, here we are unable to identify a device. It has a random name. This doesn't look good, right? So let's fix it. What we will do, we will add a set host name. So here we can just name anything. We will name it device 2 because we already connected one device earlier. And now what we will do, we will select the USB port again and upload this updated code so that this will name our network device as device 2. So let's compile the code and upload. Link started, 50%, 70%, and just like that, 100% is uploaded. And now we will power it using a USB power supply. So till now it was connected to our computer, but now we will see whether it works on network as well or not. So let's go to tools and select port. Here we can see device 2 is present. This is our target device. Let's select it and then simply modify the code however you want. We will change this time to 1 second and upload the code. Before uploading, we need the password, right? Remember the authentication password that we set earlier? So simply enter that and click on upload. So now the code is getting uploaded. It is compiling and authentication is okay, and finally it is uploading. And just in a few seconds, the code is uploaded and the LED is blinking in 1 second time interval, right? As expected. So just like that, you can modify your code and upload it wirelessly over your network. You don't have to connect your Wi-Fi again and again. Here I'm just showing you the delay is 10 seconds now. Just a small change and just with a click of button, the code will be uploaded, right? So use this in any of your IT projects and subscribe to the channel for more such content.